Hey everyone, Daniel Williams here. So today I will be asking about my vacuums. Alright, so my vacuum still good and fine, and my vacuum cleans well and good and clean. Today I vacuum with Bissell, not the Dyson, because not every month. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up. Alright. So today I was just doing well, and yeah. And today I vacuumed in my room, only in my room, and I vacuumed in my closet too, because my room looks dirty to me. And yeah, so yeah. And let me know if you watch my channel. And as you can see, there's my vacuum, and my vacuum still works. I'm not gonna turn it on because I already vacuumed already. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come to Daniel's Room, post every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. See you guys later. Bye.